residential is great, it's fantastic, it's great for the homeowners and so forth, but commercial absolutely makes sense. You've got buildings that majority of the time are in use, 9 to 5, that's when the sun's out. So most homeowners aren't home 9 to 5. So if it's really an idea and a good system for a homeowner, it absolutely makes sense for businesses, but a lot of them think that it's too expensive, or they look at other cost-saving exercises where they're just, oh, well, I've got a power bill, I'll just pay it. They don't understand that there's ways to minimize that cost, and that can be the cost-saving exercise. Instead of reducing staff wages, instead of reducing staff numbers, instead of trying to go smaller rather than bigger, this is a great cost-saving exercise. If you're working for a business, tell the business owner, why don't we have solar? Push the environmental aspect of it, push the money aspect of it. No business owner is going to say, no, I don't want to save money. No, I don't care about the environment. Push those points, get that solar onto your roof.